I'm Emily, and this is my leaf too.
And we're going to use the fan to remove that loose tooth. Put on the proper safety gear. Make sure it's snapped. Good. Sit back in your chair. Make sure everything is tied properly. We don't want any accidents here. Open wide. Tilt your head back a little bit. Missed the first one. Open your mouth. Tilt your head back just a little bit more this time. Hold your lip up. Thank you. You're being a very good patient. Hang in there. All right.
On the vein on.
Okay. Let's get the ejection seat back just a little bit. Tilt back just a little bit.
Oh, I want to score.
Stay there. Put your arms down to block yourself. You don't move.
What? I can't see. Okay.
Setting up the fan.
Are you going to actually turn it on or just spin it by hand?
I'm going to turn it on. Don't move. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Tooth extractor.
Ow! It came out! Turn it on!
Did it come out?
Yes!
Let's see your mouth. Don't move. Sit down.
Oh,
It's right,
it fell on your...
it's right here in your lap. Put your legs up. It's right there.
Show everybody.
And that's how you extract a tooth with a ceiling fan.